Hello everyone, and welcome to today's cooking tutorial. In this episode, we'll be learning how to make delicious and spicy Korean beef bulgogi lettuce wraps. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the ingredients. You'll need 1 lb ground beef, 4 lettuce leaves, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger minced, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound grilled pork skewers, vegetable oil for frying. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Marinate the beef. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, minced garlic, minced ginger, and red pepper flakes. Add the beef to the bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Freeze for at least 30 minutes or refrigerate for 4 hours. Step 2. Cook the bulgogi. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat. Add the marinated beef to the skillet and cook for about 4 minutes on each side, or until it reaches your desired doneness. Once cooked, transfer the beef to a plate and set aside. Step 3. Prepare the lettuce wraps. Wash and dry the lettuce leaves. Lay them out on a clean surface and spread a thin layer of the marinated beef on each leaf. Roll the leaves tightly, forming into a log or a wrap. Step 4. Cook the wraps. Place the cooked bulgogi logs on the grill or under the broiler for about 3 minutes, or until they are crispy and golden brown. Serve the bulgogi logs, warm, alongside the lettuce wraps. And there you have it, delicious and spicy Korean beef bulgogi lettuce wraps. Enjoy your meal, and don't forget to give us feedback on your experience. Happy cooking!